Zomi Council Steering Committee na pukhatkhiba wapham amada yumpham oiraga Churachandpur District nouna Custom Division amasung Central Goods and Services Tax CGST Division ama Hangnaba CGST Central Excise and Customs Guwahati Zone ge Chief Commissioner na mari Leinaba Singda Khanghallakkhre hairi TOMTV na fangba paamagi matung ina wapham ase Ministry of Finance Department of Revenue ge CGST Central Excise and Customs Guwahati Zone ge Chief Commissioner ge office na Imphal CGST Commissionerate Guwahati Zone amade Customs Preventive Commissionerate Northeastern Region Silongi Commissioner Singda Chero Thaduna Khanghallakkhre Chief Commissioner ki office asige Assistant Commissioner Anirvan Chaudhuri na kudek piduna thadurakiba cherol aduda Churachandpur District Custom Division amasung CGST Division ama Hangnaba Khanghallakkhre loinana haukiba tang tara faubagi manungda Mari Leinaba wapham sing office asida Khanghallakkhre su makata na palle Thauranga si CGST February tang kunipanda Ministry of Finance Department of Revenue Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs ke OSD Customs for Deepak L Aruna Guwahati da laiba Customs and Central Tax ke Chief Commissioner da thaba cherol amagi matungina paikhalakpane Khongthang asi Churachandpur District Customs Division amasung CGST Division ama thambinaba Zomi Council Steering Committee ge General Secretary na Ministry of Finance Department of Revenue ge Revenue Secretary da sahi asige January tang tara da pishin khiba cherol amaga mari leinana laukhalakne hairi Amaramda Zomi Council Steering Committee ge General Secretary na Ministry of Finance Department of Revenue ge Revenue Secretary da pishin kiba cherol aduda yauriba maruoiba wapham singde Imphal Customs Division asi Assistant Natraga Deputy Commissioner amagi makhada Imphal da laibane masigi field office sing as oina Customs Preventive Force CPF Churachandpur CPF Palel CPF More Land Customs Station LCS More amadi CPF Nonegi Unit Singasina Superintendent amamamgi makhada thabak pangthokpani Adubu mamang chahigi metang ahumdagi thorakiba iranga sina maram oiraga Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs ta thabak toba jo furup ki multitasking staff tagi hauraga Chief Commissioner gi rank fawbada leiba staff amadi officer pumnamak Manipuri amata leitre oiragliba pibamasida CPF Churachandpur CPF Palel CPF More LCS More amadi CPF None ge jurisdiction gi oiba Customs Division ge Divisional Office amadi Churachandpur amasung More Range na konba jurisdiction sing khagta gi oiba CGST Division ge Divisional Office ama hill areas ki oina Churachandpur da thamnaba thaurang tobiyo hariba mafam sing asida GST amadi makhal makha kaya ge government da tax thiba Entrepreneur businessman trader amade government ki service toba myoi kaya marum lai laibak thibadi iranga sina maram oiraga Imphal da chalaga tax thiba ngamdana leire karigumba Customs Division amasung CGST Division ama Churachandpur da thamlabadi tax thibagi thabaga se hena kumang chausinduna National Exchequer da so revenue ka hena lakani haiba wapham sing Zomi Council Steering Committee ge cherol aduna makhatana palle